Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to embed Google Maps into your HTML website. If you want to display locations, improve navigation, or make your website more interactive, this tutorial is for you. On your web browser, the first thing we need to do is open Google Maps. Simply type Google Maps in your browser. Now, watch closely. We need to click on Google Maps, then choose the location we want to embed. For example, let's select this map. Once we are on the map, we need to click the Share button. A window will appear. Here, we need to select Embed a Map in the pop-up window. Next, we click on the Embed option, and here is the HTML code we need. All we have to do is copy this code and add it to our website as custom code. This way, we can paste it, and it will appear as a widget on our website. This method makes it easy to integrate Google Maps into our HTML page using a simple embed code. We can customize it for our website and make it easier for visitors to find our locations. And that's how we successfully embedded a Google Maps widget into an HTML website.